Welcome to another RCM Level 3 Clapback video. This is example weekly test number 20. This example is in a 4/4 time signature and is 4 measures long with an anacrusis. I will play the example 2 times. Go ahead and tap your foot along with me as I play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, go ahead and clap that back. For the answer, go ahead and turn to page 47 of the RCM Level 3 4-star sight reading and ear test book. Thank you.